Hey everybody, it's David, Marketing Manager at Thera Wellness. It's spring here in the Northern Hemisphere, and that means travel and weddings. While these are a lot of fun, how many of us have gotten sick when we come home? There are a few reasons for this, but two of the most common are food and sharing air. When we're away from home, we often splurge on unhealthy food, which negatively impacts our immune systems. On top of all that, when we travel, we often share air with hundreds, if not thousands of other people. Thus, it's not uncommon for someone else's illness to make its way into our lungs. So to hopefully help prevent that, here's a little protocol you can run on your Thera Wellness device prior to your trip to help boost the immune system. Run programs 306 to fortify the immune system, programs 297 and 3623 to unblock the thymus gland. Add the Support Immunity Substance Complex from the Goodies category of the second channel. So we're going to run program 306 to fortify immunity, and then 297 and 3623 to unblock the thymus gland. And we're going to go enter. And then we're going to go to channel 2, substance complexes, categories, goodies, and then we're going to scroll down to supporting the immune system. Enter, and now that we're all ready, let channel 1 to start. Upon your return, run a detox protocol. The recommended programs are 764 and 765 for support of general detoxification and 3536 for detox regulation. Add the Lymph Support 1 substance complex from the vessels category of the second channel. We're going to run 764 and 765 for general detox. And then we're going to add 3536 for detox regulation. And then we'll enter again. And we'll go to channel 2, substance complexes, categories. We want vessels. And then we want Lymph Support 1. And now that we're all ready, let channel 1 to start. Hope those help. Stay well.